In today's video, I will walk you through how to remove liked songs on Spotify. To get started, simply tap the link in the description to create your free account. Next, look at the left-hand sidebar. Under Your Library, click on Liked Songs. This will open the collection of songs you've saved by selecting the heart icon. Now, find the specific song you want to remove. Scroll through your liked songs and locate the track by its title and artist. Make sure you've selected the correct song before removing it. There are two ways to remove a song from your liked songs. The first method is to use the heart icon. Look for the small heart next to the track. If the heart is filled in, the song is currently liked. Click the heart once to unlike the song. After you click the heart, it will change from a filled icon to an outline, and the track will disappear from your liked songs collection. The second method is to use the menu. Right-click the track you want to remove. This will open the context menu. From the menu, choose Remove from your liked songs. The result is the same. The song is unliked and removed from your liked songs section. You can use either method to remove individual songs from the collection. If you change your mind later, you can like the song again by clicking the heart wherever you see the track on Spotify. Removing a like does not delete the song from Spotify, and it does not remove the song from other playlists where you've added it. It only removes the song from your liked songs collection. To remove additional songs, repeat the same process. Find the track, then either click the filled heart or right-click the song and choose Remove from your liked songs. That's all there is to it. Go to Liked Songs, find the track you want to remove, and use either the heart icon or the right-click menu. Repeat these steps for any other songs you want to remove from your collection. Thank you for watching.